on Steam but your game is broken, crashing, or full of weird mods. In the next 60 seconds, I'll show you how to reset your Steam game files back to default. First, open Steam and go to the Library tab at the top to see all of your games. In your library, find the game you want to reset. I'll click this one as an example. Right-click on the game's name, then choose Properties from the menu that pops up. A new window opens. On the left side, make sure you're on the Installed Files or Local Files tab, depending on your Steam version. This is where we'll reset your files safely, without deleting the whole game. Now click the button that says Verify Integrity of Game Files. This is the key step to reset everything back to default. Steam will scan your game's folders and compare them to the official files on Steam servers. Any missing or changed files, including many mods, will be re-downloaded and replaced with the original versions. Let the process finish. This might take a few minutes, depending on your game size and internet speed. When it's done, close the window, hit play, and your game should now be back to its default file state. That's it. Your Steam game files are reset. For more quick Steam fixes, hit subscribe and keep your games running smoothly.